back, everyone. It's 4 in the morning, and this week we're going to the Rocky Mountains.
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road.
All right, it's 8:30. Haven't really got that far. We've only done 127 miles. So whenever I left this morning, I made it about 30 miles, and then I had a horrible vibration in the front end. So I limped it back to the garage, and I found out, at least I think it was my problem, front drive shaft. So I took that out, put that in the front seat, and I was like, screw it, I'm just gonna go anyway. The vibration seemed to have went away. I don't know if that's because there's no load on the pinion anymore and the front diff, or if it actually was just the drive shaft that went bad. The universals look okay, but the slipping section of it had a lot of play in it. I don't know if that would cause the problem or not, but we're still going. Hopefully the Jeep makes it there and back. It's the first time I'm a little bit nervous. I'm not really sure what this problem is. I guess I should probably tell you. So before this trip, I had the great idea to re-gear it. So I have 488s now and put a front locker in it. And I'm going to tell you, I've had nothing but problems so far. Meshing it and stuff was fine. I mean, it worked, but stupid little things kept going wrong. So I put it all back together to pull it all apart, to put it back together to pull it all apart. One of the problems was the front locker, the tolerance for the type of lunchbox locker I got was a little bit too wide, and I couldn't figure out why. I even went with new thrust washers, brand new from the factory, and I was still having the problem where the front wheels wouldn't disengage. So no matter what I did, it was always locked. And I ended up using a little bit more spacers in the thrust washers, and it got the locker a little bit closer together, and that seemed to fix the problem. So now that was fine. I also did an add a leaf to the rear to try to help with some of the weight, and I added a couple more gallons of fuel. I think I'm hauling 12 gallons of extra fuel right now. You run out and it's the middle of the night and you gotta find fuel. Well, I don't, because I have it. So away we go.
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come.
I'm about 300 miles into the trip. Started getting a real weird misfire again. I think it might be the fuel injector plugs. We just replaced those, but we don't have the little clips to actually hold them in place. So I threw some zip ties on there. I fired it up, wiggled them around, and now it stopped missing. But if it's not that, it's probably going to be the coil or crank sensor maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I made it to St. Louis, Missouri, and there is a tornado warning for where I'm at. So I parked next to a gas station. Never been through a tornado before, so I'm kind of excited actually. I never heard a tornado siren before. That's going off now. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the show. The tornado sirens have been going off like crazy. My phone's been going off like crazy with all the severe weather alerts, tornadoes, stuff like that. So basically, if I see a tornado, I'm going to pick a direction that there's not a tornado and drive into that direction. That's my survival plan. See if it works. Tune in next time. Just kidding. Tune in probably in a little bit. What's going on? Again, it got dark really fast. I did that last video like, I don't know, a couple seconds ago. And now, it's pretty dark. Everyone outside, they all ran for... Oh, no, that guy didn't. That guy's speaking out the door. See him? See him right there? Everyone else ran inside because they're smart. Floodnado. I thought I was going to die by bears on this trip, not tornadoes. Weird change of events. Oop. Let me get this started to hail. Tornado sirens going off again. It is really raining. It's very dark. I don't know if you can hear the tornado sirens going off in the background or not. So my previous plan of pick the direction the tornado isn't, well, it's not really going to work because I can't really see anything because it's really dark and raining out. So I need a new plan of survival. On a scale of 1 to I'm about to blow over, I feel like I'm about to blow over. Some of these wind gusts are absolutely insane. So does anyone know what a tornado actually sounds like? I heard it sounds like a train. But everything kind of sounds like a train right now. Does it sound like a train like blowing its siren? Like, is that the sound that a tornado makes? Like it's a train about to cross a railroad track crossing? Street crossing? I think that'd be more scarier, because everything sounds like a freaking train out here. The thunder sounds like a train. The rain sounds like a train. Can you tell that I've been up since 3 a.m. and it's 7:30? Who needs sleep? I still got like so much... Still got a lot more driving to do once the storm passes. Okay, that's a new NATO sound. Haven't heard that one yet. Getting rained on. Everything sounds like a freaking tornado when you're at a truck stop. Every single time a truck pulls away, it sounds like a tornado. Well, I think everything's over, so I think it's safe to hit the road again. I don't know where I'm going to stop tonight. I'm just going to keep driving until I get tired. So, I'll catch you in a bit.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back. What you say?
I don't think I'm in Kansas anymore. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I am. I am in Kansas. I made it here last night. I drove 1,000 miles yesterday, and about 3 o'clock in the morning, I started getting tired, and I was like, I need to pull over somewhere. So I found this gravel lot. There was some other trucks and other vehicles kind of sporadically parked around here, so I was like, looks like a good enough spot. I slept good. No one bothered me. There wasn't a lot of noise. A little bit of highway noise, because I'm kind of close to the highway, but it's not that bad. So today, I'm going to try to get to New Mexico. I'll tell you more about why I'm going there in a little bit. So stay tuned. I'm in the middle of Kansas right now at a shop. We're gonna throw this thing up on the lift and figure out if my rear disc is about to explode or not. So hopefully it's okay, but it's starting to make noises and feeling like crap, so we're gonna check it out. Windmills or driving straight, US 50 in Kansas is not the route for you. If you do like windmills, then I got some windmills for you.